Is your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router not turning on? Let's get it fixed. First, verify the power source. Ensure your router is plugged into a working 120-volt AC outlet, which is the standard in the US. Next, use the power adapter that came with the router. It typically outputs 12-volt DC and is specifically designed for your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router. Check for LED indicators on your router. A solid white light indicates the router is ready and working. A blinking light means it's either booting up or has an issue that needs attention. Common causes of power issues include loose connections between the router and outlet, faulty electrical outlets, or a failing power adapter. Try these troubleshooting steps. First, unplug the router for 30 seconds to reset the power cycle. Then, test the outlet with another device to ensure it's working. Finally, inspect the power adapter for any visible damage like frayed cords or bent connectors. If these basic steps don't work, you may have a faulty power adapter that needs replacing. You can test this with a multimeter if you have one to check the voltage output. Power surges are also a common culprit, so consider using a surge protector to protect your router from electrical spikes. If your router powers on but isn't working properly, a reset may solve the issue. Locate the reset button on the back of the router. It's usually a small pinhole that requires a paperclip to access. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This performs a factory reset. The factory reset clears any corrupted settings, but you'll need to reconfigure your Wi-Fi password and other settings afterwards. If the Wi-Fi fails after the router powers on, try resetting the modem-router combination through the My Spectrum app. Spectrum offers remote diagnostics and resets via the My Spectrum app, helping diagnose hardware faults without physical access. Make sure your router has the latest firmware installed, as outdated firmware can cause power and reset problems. If problems continue, Spectrum offers warranty replacements, typically completed within 24 hours. If the problems continue despite these steps, contact Spectrum support for additional help.